prvi, naslednja prihaja iz Švedske, from Sweden, Frida Hansdotter. Zmagovalka tudi v Kranjski Gori že.
Ja, tudi ona je že zmagala na slalomu za Zlato lisico na Gorenjskem. Frida, you can pick your number.
Mimo grede, ne vem, če vidite, gležne ima zunaj, njone zebe. Kratke zobne ima.
In izbrala je številko 1.
Good luck!
Okay, just have to move a little bit. Okay. Just. Question, because everybody is wondering, you have no socks today, or very you have socks, but they're not long enough. Oh yeah, but you're from Sweden, so no problem with the cold weather?
No, I'm used to cold, so it's fine for me.
Is it too hot for you here?
No, but I think my jeans are nice, so I'm wearing them.
Oh yes, they're very nice. And tomorrow it will be perhaps even a better day for you, if you win. What you did also here, not here in Maribor, but in Kranjska Gora, so you're one of the, let's say, girls defending the title of the Golden Fox. So what is your shape for tomorrow? I mean, you look good, and no holes in your outfit tomorrow in slalom? No.
No, I will for sure ski fast as hell and try to go for the victory. And I love to ski here in Maribor, and Kranjska Gora is one of my favorite places. So yeah, it's nice.
Yes, we think that too. Thank you very much. Good luck.
Ni čudnega, da je v Sloveniji lepo, ko pa je v Kranjski Gori zmagala prvič v karieri, predtem pa bila 8